Good morning everyone. I am Devansh Sahu from class 6A St. Paul School, Jinjiri. Today I am here in the get-up of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India and every citizen is aware of his achievements. He was quite famous among children. That's why children called him Chacha Nehru. Because of his love for children, the government celebrates his birthday as a Children's Day. Chacha Nehru was a great leader who loves his country immensely. Pandit Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad, now Prayagraj. Furthermore, his father was Motilal Nehru, who was a lawyer by occupation, and he was very rich, because of which he got the best education. He was sent abroad for studies at an early age. In England, he got his education from two universities, namely Cambridge and Harrow. In 1910, Nehruji completed his degree. He was an average guy in his studies and does not have much interest in studying law. Instead, he had an interest in politics. However, later on, he becomes a lawyer and practiced law in Allahabad High Court. He married to Srimati Kamala Devi at age of 24. Soon after, they gave birth to a daughter whom they named Indra. To conclude, Pandit Nehru was a great man who makes many sacrifices for the country. Also, because of his effort in the freedom struggle, he was made the first Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ronak Nankani and I am playing a role of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name was Motilal Nehru and mother's name was Swarup Rani. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He has received his early education under the private tutors. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much and children fondly called him as Chacha Nehru. Every year his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. He was the architect of modern India. He wrote the famous book The Discovery of India. He had given the slogan Aram Haram Hai. He passed away in 1964. Thank you.
Good morning to everybody. My name is Suhana Gupta from class 6B and I am Lakshmi Bai. I pledge to save Jhansi till my last drop of blood. If defeated and killed on the field of battle, we should surely earn eternal glory and salvation. I am Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi. We women have several forms of like mother, daughter, sisters and friend. We always must be in unit. जब बेटी उठ खड़ी होती है तब विजय बड़ी होती है. चमक उठी सन संतावन में यह तलवार पुरानी थी. बुंदे लोहर बोले के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Thank you.
Myself Lavanya Gupta from class 6A. I am from St. Paul School, Hinjiri. Today I will do the role of Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil has recently been elected the President of India and she has taken the place of APJ Abdul Kalam on 25th July 2007. Before being elected the President of India, she was the Governor of Rajasthan. Pratibha Patil is the first female President of India. She has been a successful lawyer and she has acted actively on various posts in Indian National Congress. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone.
My name is Aditya Tiwari. I study in class 6th A. My school name is St. Paul Higher Secondary School. Today I will tell you about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born on 27 September 1907. His father name is Kishan Singh, who is a freedom fighter, and his mother name was Vidyavati. He is a housewife. He is Bhagat Singh was an expert of reading and writing Hindi, Urdu, English, Gurumukhi and Punjabi. He was plated by Lala Lajpat Rai by killing the British officer John Sandys. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना आज हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना आज हमारे बाजुओं में है. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. Thank you.
Hello, I am Seeraj Jaisinghani, rolling as the Sarojini Naidu from class 6th B. What Sarojini Naidu said: do you think who you are? Clamoring for self-government today, do you think who are dreaming dreams for terrestrial petrolism? You are meteoroids. If you cannot stop agony that is sending you echoes to you night and days. After tonight, man of India, if after tonight I say it is possible for the most selfish interest to use the humanity of India to enrich almost as manure the sugar plantations of the colony. If it is possible, I say, to let the forces of the greatest evil on earth to daunt you in the camp, Jane. You are not only unworthy and determined sons of your mother, whose name stood for glory past, but we are the murderers and the suicides of nation honor and national progress. You discount the future, nay, you slay the future. There can be no future for a nation whose present man and woman do. Thank you.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. Good morning everybody. My name is Saur Sondia. I am studying class 6A. Today I am playing the role of Bhagat Singh. They may kill me but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body. They will not crush my spirit. I was born on 27th September 1907 in a Sikh family in Laipur district of Punjab. My father Kishan Singh was a freedom fighter and my mother Vidyavati was housewife. I was an expert in reading and writing Hindi, Urdu, English, Punjabi and Gurumukhi. At a very early age, I dedicate my life for the country and avoided marriage by saying that my life, if is dedicated only to service of the motherland and no desire can